analytical approach, Freud's view, cognitive approach, Piaget view, and the presentation topic is psychoanalytical approach, Freud's view, psychoanalytical tradition or the principle or the theory was established or founded by Freud, Neo Freudian and ego psychologists, and in this segment Freud is known as the developer of false formal theory of human personality. He is the main founder of this approach. He is also one of those who had provided new vision of it in the term of sexual perception. And the interpretation of dream, introduction to psychoanalysis, the ego and id, beyond the pleasure principle, naming books also had been written by him. And he was an Austrian neurologist and also the founder of psychoanalysis, a clinical method for treating psychopathology through dialogue between a patient and a psychoanalyst. And he was born on May 6, 1856 and died on September 23, 1939 at Hampstead. His nationality was Austrian and spouse SPOUSE हुन्छ है, मैले राततिर टाइप गर्दा अलि मिस्टेक भएछ. Martha Bernice 1886 to 1939 and his parents Emilia Fraud, Jacob Fraud and the children Anna Fraud. And Anna Fraud was the daughter of him who followed the path of her father and contributed to the field of psychoanalysis. And the picture of Sigmund Freud and the Anna Freud is like this. This is the father, first one, and the second one is the daughter, who have also contributed a lot in the field of psychoanalysis. So now it's the turn of stages of psychosexual development. चरणहरू है.
स्क्रिन अन गर्नुहोस् लक्ष्मी, देखिएन
सर म चाहिँ स्क्रिन अन गर्नु भन्नाले
तपाईको फोटो मात्रै आयो, मान्छे आएन भने नि
सर म भोलिदेखि चाहिँ भिडियो कलमा बसेर प्रेजेन्टेसन गर्छु कि म यहाँ सुतेर भर्खर उठिरहेको छु.
अनि मान्छे स्मार्टै देखिरहेको छैन, आवाजै बिरामी भएको हो कि भर्खरै उठेको हो कि
होइन सर, अलि ढिलो सुतेको कि अनि आवाज चाहिँ कस्तो भयो.
चोर त पक्रिहाल्यो
है, चोर पक्रेन सर, रातितिर चाहिँ लेखेको. Okay, stages are in the following way.
Yes, go ahead.
First one is oral stage, second one is the anal stage, third one is phallic stage, fourth one is latency stage, and last one is genital stage. अनि नेपालीमा चाहिँ मौखिक अवस्था, मलद्वार अवस्था, यौन संवेदनशीलताको अवस्था, सुसुप्त अवस्था र लैङ्गिक अवस्था रहेको छ. अनि यो सर एक्सप्लेनेसन चाहिँ मैले यहाँ स्लाइडमा बनाइरहेको छु कि, अनि तपाईले भन्नुभयो
एक्सप्लेनेसन, यसको एक्सप्लेनेसन त्यहाँ बनाउने भन्दा नि मौखिक रूपमा गर्ने हो क्या. यो सबै एक्सप्लेनेसन लेखेर साध्य हुँदैन, यो छोटो प्रेजेन्टेसनको.
सर म इंग्लिशमै भन्छु ल.
ओके, गो अहेड.
ओके, फर्स्ट वान चाहिँ ओरल स्टेजको कुरा गरौँ. दिस स्टेज रिफर्स टु लाइक the child from 2 years in this theory. Like during this period, the infants obtain pleasure via their mouth by sucking or the biting or the chewing things. Like sexual behavior towards oneself is also shown here. अनि यो चाहिँ जन्मदेखि 18 महिनासम्मको समय अवधिलाई बुझाउँछ. In this stage, the mouth is the primary organ of giving pleasure to the child while sucking the milk from the mother's breast. In this stage, like the child experience the relationship of mother and himself or herself. in the unconscious mind. This stage activities are like feeding, crying, biting, and thumb sucking. दुध चुस्नु, रुनु, अनि टोक्नु, अनि औँलाहरू पनि चुस्ने यसका चाहिँ क्रियाकलापहरू हुन् यो अवस्थाको. सर अब अर्को अवस्था भनौँ.
ओके
सर यति त मैले क्लियरली नै भने हैन. अस्ति तपाईले पढाउँदा चाहिँ यति कुरा याद राखे मैले. Now another one is analyst stage, मलद्वार अवस्था. Like this stage lasts for 2 years to 4 years, during which the child obtains pleasure from the anal by withholding the waste materials or fecal matter. The sexual pleasure of हजुर
4 year हो कि 3 year हो?
जुम भइरहेको छ अलि अनि हात मात्र देखिरहेको छ.
2 year देखि 4 वर्षसम्मको हो क्या?
खै मलाई त 3 वर्ष
3-4 वर्षसम्म 3-4 वर्षसम्म है. सो सरी. ल म नेपालीमै भन्छु.
इंग्लिशबाटै
यस अवस्थामा pleasure derived from body parts at the center of the world during this stage. Like यो अवस्थामा उनीहरू त्यो दिशा पिसाब नियन्त्रण गर्ने बानीको विकास हुन्छ अनि पनि तिनीहरूले यस्ता क्रियाकलापहरूबाटै सन्तुष्टि प्राप्त गरेका हुन्छन् है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वान इज phallic stage, जसलाई नेपालीमा यौन संवेदनशीलताको अवस्था बुझाउँछ. यो यसको ड्युरेसन चाहिँ 3 इयर देखि 3-4 वर्षदेखि 6 वर्षसम्मको समयावधिलाई बुझाउँछ है. लाइक यति बेला तिनीहरू स्कुल पनि गइरहेका हुन्छन्. भर्खर स्कुलमा उनीहरूको जोइनिङ भएको हुन्छ है. अनि धेरै कुराहरू तिनीहरू सेल्फ कन्सियस हुने वातावरण पनि पैदा भएको हुन्छ है. In this stage, the child derives pleasure from the genital region. Many of the normal sexual behavior of human personality develop in this period. Eh? The child's sexual longing is intensified all the time. This is the stage in which there used to be conflict related to the reproductive issues are resolved. म अलिकति यहाँ टाइप गरेको कुराहरू देखाउँछु. यो एनालिस्ट स्टेजको भयो. phallic stage यहाँ छ है. Now last one हैन, second last चाहिँ latency stage रहेको छ. It starts from the 6 years to the puberty time. Now child sexual desire or urge sublimated into the sports and the hobbies and they focused on the same sex friends and parents. Like तिनीहरू आफ्नै जेन्डरका साथीहरूमा धेरै इन्ट्रेस्ट हुन्छ. लाइक केटीले केटी साथी बनाउने, केटाले केटा साथी बनाउने, अनि लाइक स्कुलमा केटा र केटीलाई सँगै बसाइदिँदा पनि अलिकति लाज मान्ने, बस्न नमान्ने टाइपको कन्डिसनहरू क्रिएट भएको हुन्छ है. This stage is also the stage of learning skills rather than a psychosexual stage. यो चाहिँ उनीहरूले सिक्ने लाइक ज्ञानहरू यताउताबाट लिने टाइपको उमेर हो. No sexual development takes place during this stage or the period. This is the time of relative calm between more turbulent stages. Previous experiences, fears, conditioning have shaped many child's feelings and attitudes. Last one is, this is the time of mature and sexuality. In this stage, many hormonal and physical changes take place. Children are also engaged in the sex-related thoughts and feelings. अनि यसको स्टार्टिङ उमेर चाहिँ from the puberty stage to 11 years को समयावधिलाई बुझाउँछ. यौवन अवस्थादेखिको 11-12 वर्षको उमेरलाई बुझाउँदछ है. यहाँ चाहिँ के भन्नु, एक विपरीत यो के भन्छ अपोजिट जेन्डर प्रति चाहिँ एट्र्याक्ट हुने हैन. अनि के भन्नु यति नै आयो सर दिस मच